Hi, good evening. Good evening. I am Daniel Nyalinjo. Currently, I am living in Rangoon, the British Burma. It is raining. It is raining today. Now, I'd like to talk about the personal life of Aung San Suu Kyi. She was being arrested in the jail for criminal charges. She is under the house arrest for the time being in the country of Myanmar. She is the legend of the country of England. She is also known as the legend of the country of Scotland. She is also known as the legend of the Russia Federation. It is very controversial for Aung San Suu Kyi, her NLD party, her family in the country of Scotland, Hassan Kim Aris, Ka Kotinin, and last but not least, the country of England, even to this day. Aung San Suu Kyi is 81 years old now. Thank you.